My Epic project was a cybersecurity project called Honeyjar. And in the Honeyjar project, we tried to lure malware into a closed environment so we can analyze on its behavior. Well, the Epic collaboration is split into two kinds of collaboration. We have the physical collaboration at the introductory seminar and a catch-up seminar if you decide to do that. And then you have the online collaboration, which is the primary part of the dissertation and the entire project work. For the online part, we use Discord as our primary communication tool, and we met up once a week online over Discord. All four institutions involved in the project were represented at each meeting. And then we discussed progress, and we evaluated work and decided on what to do for the next week. So we kind of had this ongoing structure of constantly keeping each other updated with the project and its different varieties. One of the things that we learned from being part of Epic was the importance of keeping in contact with your supervisor, both your Epic and your local and your industrial partner. So when you don't know what to do, if stuff is confusing, if the project work is challenging above what you can handle, then don't hesitate to contact your supervisor. And if you contact your local supervisor or your Epic supervisor, each of them can guide you towards the correct person to help you handle whatever you're dealing with. I think the cross-disciplinary work between business and IT students, computer engineers, and data scientists was a very, very valuable experience. We got to learn a lot about how you combine these different academic fields into something great. We got to meet a bunch of interesting people. We got to establish some great social contacts and academic contacts, and actually industrial contacts too. And for a first-year student at that time, this was a huge opportunity and something that will bring with us into everything else in our studies from that point. I think if I were to give one tip for this year's Epic students, I'd say use your supervisors and industrial partners. Make sure that you, at the introductory seminar, establishes a shared opinion about what to expect from each other. Like, it's very important that you manage to balance expectations from the beginning and create a solid structure for how to work together. Because if you manage to go from the introductory seminar with a clear vision of what your problem is, what you're trying to go after, and what each representative of the group actually can expect from each other, then you're really good off. Then the online collaboration phase becomes that much easier. And if you have a good communication system established too, you're going to be well off.